Hi everyone! So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this slick back ponytail on type 4 hair. And if you want to learn how I got this ponytail, then please keep watching. So what you'll need is gel. I'm using the Wetline Xtreme gel, and some water and a soft bristle brush, and you also need some scrunchies, and that's it. So the most important part about doing a low ponytail on type 4 hair is that you have to work in sections, because if you don't work in sections, then you have like humps on your head and your hair is not going to be laid flat on your head how you want it. So you have to work in sections. So I always start off with sectioning the back of my hair, and the sections don't have to be perfect, you just need like it's section. Okay, so now that I have this section, I'm just gonna spray water on it. Now that the water is sprayed on my hair, I just kind of smooth it down like this. So now I'm gonna take my Wetline Xtreme gel and just put it on my hair like this. So next, I'm gonna take my brush and just brush it down, making sure that it's all smooth and flat on my head. I'm gonna take a scrunchie and just put the ponytail in. Now I'm gonna section my hair all over my head and just keep doing the same thing, spraying the hair with water, then putting the gel on it, and then brushing it and adding it into this ponytail. If you see any of this, just ignore it, because I did a wash and go, so there's gel already in my hair. So that's just what that is. It's just the leftover gel in my hair. So when you start getting to the top of your head like this, you want to get a comb and just part your hair wherever you want to part it. I usually like to part mine on this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I know this part is not even, and I said that it doesn't matter whether the part is even or not, because it's all gonna go over here anyway, so it doesn't really matter. If there's ever a part in my head that doesn't want to lay down right, I'll take my Denman brush and just go over with that instead of the soft bristled brush, because this is really gonna lay your hair down, and then I'll go over it with a soft brush. Okay. When I start getting to the front with like little pieces like this, I just detangle the entire section just because it makes it a lot easier to smooth down when you're trying to put it with the rest of your hair. Last section. Before this looked like this. Next. So now I'm gonna go in with the same gel and my toothbrush and lay my edges. A package. Okay, so now that my edges are done and everything's all nice and laid, I'm gonna get this, which is a do-rag, but it's like not really a do-rag, but it's like kind of a do-rag. But anyways, I'm gonna get that, put it on my head, and wrap it for about like 15 minutes until my hair feels like it's dry enough. So while my hair is in the do-rag, I'm just gonna put some gel and just some products on my ponytail just so that it looks good. So now I'm gonna take this is a hooded dryer. I'm gonna put it over my head so that it just dries my head faster. So now I've taken my hair out the dryer and I'm gonna just fluff out my ponytail, make it look all cute, and then take this off. So that's it for this tutorial on this slick back low ponytail. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!